Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Python. How to create a list in Python. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a list in Python. So I will show you how you can create an empty list. So this is the empty list, and if you print it is going to print nothing. It is going to print that there is no item here. Now I will show you how you can append uh, values to the string. So the method is append, mylist.append. Then I will add another item. So I am appending more items to it. My list dot append yellow, my list dot append red. So these are the items that I appended. Now I will print the list. So it is printing the items inside this. Now I will show you how you can create a list with values. So these are the strings that I am adding. Now I can add a number. I can also add a dictionary. I can also add another list to this list. So I created a list I created a list by assigning the values to it. Print this list, and you can see it is printing the text, number, then list, dictionary, and then the list. So I created the first list here. Now I will show you how you can print all the items from the list. For item in my list, and now it should print all the items inside this list. Similarly, we can print this the second list also. So item in list with values and print item. So it is printed the value, and we can also check the type of this variable. For this, we can use print, then type function, and inside this you give the name of variable. So my list values is the type of list. Similarly, you can check the type of this list. So in this tutorial, I showed you how you can create an empty list and then use the append method. In this tutorial, I showed you how you can create an empty list and then append the values using the append method, and finally print all the items from the list. And you can also create a list with by assigning the some values and then print the list items by using this for loop. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.